Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello everyone. Today we will try to help you how to download and install Microsoft Office from your account. We consider that you have already the Microsoft Office subscription. Here we have the browser, and in the address bar just type office.com. Press enter. Now you see sign in. Here you put sign in. Here you put type your email. Okay, and next they will ask you the password, or in my case they are sending me the code at my email, so I will check I ask them to send code. I will check the code. Okay, they ask you either you want to keep a sign in or not. It's your choice. Okay, I just press for me, don't show me, and yes. Now I have to see the subscriptions from my account, what I have bought it previously. So the same way you will check it from your account. How you go into your account? In the top right corner here you will see, okay, this is your account. I press this one and then my Microsoft account. When I press this one, now you go in this services and subscriptions. Okay, if I click this one, here I can see what subscriptions I have. Here I have only one subscription, that is Microsoft Office Professional Plus 2021. Okay, and when you see this side, you will see the download arrow. If you press this one, your Microsoft account will be Microsoft Office will be downloaded. Then follow the instructions and install it, and it is ready to go. Okay, thank you so much. Have a wonderful day.